Happy holidays, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a portobello mushroom burger on a cast iron skillet. Okay, this recipe makes 4 burgers. You're going to need 4 portobello mushroom caps. Take the stem out because they're hard. And you're going to need on the vine ripened tomatoes if you can get them, and you're going to need some lettuce, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, sherry if you don't have that, tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of basil. Okay, some people leave the gills in. I take them out. It's up to you. If you want them a more meaty flavor, leave them in, but you just take a spoon and you scrape them out. It's really easy, like that. Okay, now that we've mixed that up, you're going to need, I use a casserole dish, but something that's big enough to hold 4 mushrooms. I'm only doing 2. So now that we've got out the gills, let's put them in there like that. They're kind of big. So we're going to go ahead and pour these over. Now, I've got a brush. If you've got a spoon, you can do that. Just flip them over. Brush them good on this side. Okay, we're going to save this stuff because we're going to be using it later. And half of it's right here. Okay. So we're going to let this sit for 15 minutes, and I'll just keep brushing it in between. Okay, I added a couple tablespoons of oil into my pan, whatever kind you want to use. I like to put these in face down. It's up to you. We're going to grill these 5 to 8 minutes on each side, and I'm going to be basting these in between. Okay, these are done now. I grilled them about 7 minutes on each side. So we're going to go ahead and assemble these. Somebody knocked on the door and asked me when the steaks would be ready. It actually does smell like. Alright, let's go ahead and assemble these. Now, if you've never had mushrooms before, I went ahead and put mayonnaise on. Use what you want. If you've never had portobello mushrooms before, or mushrooms, especially these, they absorb water. They're a sponge. So you don't want to wash them, you just want to brush them off with like a good paper towel or a kitchen cloth. You can also top it with what you want. I'm going to go ahead and top mine with lettuce and tomato. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay, let's give these a try. The whole place smells good. Look at that, big fatty. Perfect inside too. Healthy for you. It tastes like a mushroom burger, like a hamburger with mushrooms and Swiss. Alright, thank you. Remember, don't hate, congratulate.